Good morning, children. Today we are starting the chapter Reproduction in Plants, and it is from the class 7. And in this part, we would be discussing the short answer questions and the diagram-based activities to be sent this week. And let me tell you that the reproductive part of the plant is flower. Everybody knows it. The 99% of the plants you see around us are angiosperms or flowering plants, and their sex organs, reproductive organs of the plant are of course flowers. Okay, the flower consists of different parts. I have drawn the diagram cross section of a flower, and you can see different parts for a flower. A flower with both male and female reproductive organs are called complete flower. Almost all plants you see around us are complete flower. Complete flowers contain both male and female sex organs. Such complete flowers we call hermaphrodite or bisexual. Everybody knows it. Okay? Hermaphrodite or bisexual. Such a bisexual flower I have drawn here. So in a bisexual flower, the female sex organ, we can say what we call pistil or carpel. Carpel is the female sex organ. Pistil or carpel. Pistil or carpel consists of three parts. The upper part of the pistil is called stigma, then long tube-like structure, style, and the lowermost part that is ovary. So ovary, style, stigma together form the carpel. That is female reproductive organ. Okay, female reproductive organ. Okay. Now the male reproductive organ is called stamen. Here I have drawn two stamens. A stamen has an anther. Upper part of the stamen is anther and a filament-like structure. Okay? The upper part of the stamen, that is called anther. Anther produce pollen grains. Anther produce pollen grains. Okay, you know that. Anther produce pollen grains. Inside the pollen grain, a pollen grain I have drawn here now. Okay, all of you see, a pollen grain look like that. Inside the pollen grain, we can see the male gametes. Inside the pollen grain is male gametes. You can see the male gametes. Okay? So, we can say the stamen has anther at the tip, and the anther produces pollen grains. Pollen grains contain male gametes. Male gametes. So, male gametes are called male reproductive cells. At the same time, the pistil, I have drawn the pistil here, one carpel of pistil. It has three parts, stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, style and ovary. The outermost part of the, the female sex organ, that is called carpel. Inside the carpel, there is an ovule. This is the ovule. The green color structure is called ovule. Inside the ovule, you can see the female gamete or female reproductive cell, egg cell. Okay? So, egg cells are found within the ovule. Ovule is seen inside the ovary. Okay? So, you understood this part. Okay? Once again, stigma, style and ovary. This is the style. S-T-Y-L-E. I have pointed here, style. Okay? Stigma, style, ovary together form the carpel or pistil. So you got this idea, okay? Now, the transfer of pollen grains are formed inside the anther. The transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma is called pollination. I have told you already. The transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma is called pollination. There are two types of pollination. What are the two types of pollination? Types of pollination. What are the two types of pollination? Self-pollination and cross-pollination. In self-pollination, the pollen grain from the anther transfer to the stigma of the same flower. So in almost all hermaphrodite or bisexual flowers, you can see the transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of the same flower. Okay, you can see this is the anther and the stigma, same flower. That is called self-pollination. Whereas cross-pollination takes place between two flowers of the same kind of plant. Same kind of plants. Okay, so the cross-pollination takes place between two plants of the same kind or two flowers of the same plant. Okay, so we can understand that self-pollination and cross-pollination are the two types of pollination. So you can understand the flower is the reproductive part of the plant, and what is vegetative organ? Vegetative organs are root, stem and leaves. Root, stem and leaves are called vegetative organs. So the reproductive organs of the plant is called flower, and vegetative organs are root, stem and leaves. Okay. Now you can see the pollen grains from the anther is transferred to the stigma. Now the pollen grain germinate and produce a pollen tube. Pollen grain germinate and produce a pollen tube. Okay, that pollen tube carry the male gamete, and the pollen tube enter into the ovule. This ovule now is situated within the ovary. Okay, so now the pollen grain germinate and produce pollen tube. That pollen tube carry male gamete to the ovule, and into the ovule part the male gametes are released from the pollen tube. Okay, so the male gametes fuses with the egg. After fusion, what is formed? Zygote is formed. So you can understand that the fertilization is the process of fusion of the male gamete with the female gamete. What is the female gamete? Eggs. So after fertilization, what is formed? Zygote is formed. But there are many non-green plants like fungi. Fungi are called non-green plants. You can see the fungi are called non-green plants. Yeast is a unicellular fungus. Yeast is a unicellular fungus. And yeast reproduced by budding. You know that. Yeast reproduced by budding. Yeast is a unicellular fungus like this oval-shaped cell. From the yeast cell, you can see bud-like growth forms out. Bud-like formation. Okay, these buds are called buds. Buds are outgrowth and they will separate and grow into a new yeast. So, yeast belong to fungi, which is non-green plants, and yeast or fungi do not have a flower. Flowers are found mainly in the angiosperms. Angiosperms are called flowering plants. Angiosperms are called flowering plants. So you got this idea? Yes, to the flower and the fertilization in plants. Okay? So you know stigma, style, ovary. Within the ovary, ovules are there. Within the ovule you can see the female gamete. What is that? Egg cell. Now the pollen grain falls on the stigma. The process is called pollination. After that, the pollen tube comes out and the male gamete is injected into the ovule. The male gamete fuses with the egg to form zygote. This process of formation of zygote after the fusion of the male gamete and female gamete is called fertilization.